What up, y'all? So, back home from Houston. See, Emblems still doing good, but yeah, I actually sold quite a few of these. So, shout out to y'all for buying these emblems. But yeah, back home and about to get into making some more. So, I got some more resin, got some more vinyl. So, we're gonna make some more of that stuff. Keychains. So, this one's doing pretty good. Holding up pretty good. I messed up some stuff on this end piece when I was making it, so that's why it's got the little light spot. But let me switch over. I'm gonna show y'all one I just made for my boy real quick. So yeah, this is the keychain I made for my boy. Just orange vinyl on top of black vinyl. So flip it over, just like my keychain. Woodstock on one side and then his own emblem on the other side. But yeah, it came out pretty good. So actually just dropped this in the mail today, so I guess by the time this video goes up he should have it. So I'll put a link to his YouTube channel, y'all can check him out. He got the 99 Silverado, it's lowered, LS swapped and all of that, so check him out though. Yeah, so I'm working on making some outside emblems. So this is that black and carbon fiber one that I had a few videos back, which you can't see the carbon fiber in it, so this was a dud on that end. But I got this sitting out here because I'm trying to see how this holds up in the sun, like how the resin holds up with the sun and the heat and all of that. So I'm gonna leave it up here for, I guess, like a month or so, see how it holds up. If it's looking good, I'll probably start making some emblems that can be put on outside of instead of just doing like the interior steering wheel buttons and all of that. So probably be doing something like that. So I'm just gonna let that sit for a while and I'll get back at y'all later on that. Probably something to replace this, because I didn't have these on here for since my last Impala. So I done had them about like 8 years or so, 8-9 years, something like that. Been a while. But yeah, it'll probably be something to replace that. So yeah, that is it for today, and I will catch y'all in the next one.